Let's go. Woo! Come on. Got it. Okay. Over here, I don't care. I'm looking at this problem almost different perfect squares. But first step, I got to check for the G, the GCF. As we do this to death. GCF here got to be 4. Bring that down and I'ma do some more. Divide by 4. Watch my next step. I come through and you know I'm about to rap, cause 16 x to the 2 minus the 9. Show me what we gonna do. The next step, I got to check for the minus. You know that I got that, you recognize your highness. Even exponents, you know that I'm owning. Perfect square numbers and you know we go on. Got the 4, square root of next. Of 16 is 4, I'm not vexed. Square root of that got to give me x to the 2. Minus, come on, here's what we do. We got the 3, you know we got the y. Same to the dose, and you know that I try to keep it flowing. I keep it going, different perfect squares, and you know that I be knowing that the left parentheses goes the left of each one. Come on through when we almost done. And the right parentheses got to go on the right. We about to kill this problem and be done tonight. Put a minus and a plus instead of minus and a plus. We kill the problem and you know it's just us and we out.